In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Mastercard gift card balance to your Amazon account. This is going to be a quick tutorial, so stick around till the end. Let us open the Amazon shopping app and we're here on the main page. And what we actually want to do is click on our search at the very top up here. We want to look for Amazon Reload. You can see I've already searched for it in the past. I like to go with the one where it shows Amazon's Choice. In some instances, you might not see the Amazon's Choice option. What you can do is look for this image like this, the Reload Now option here, or overall pics right here, and click on any of those and it will go to the same screen. As you can see, here is Amazon's Choice. So let's proceed with the next step. Just scroll down for a bit here. What you want to do is go down to the bottom where you can choose a denomination or you can go ahead and type in other. This is where you want to put in the amount you have on that Mastercard gift card. Effectively, you're taking that Mastercard gift card and turning it into an Amazon balance that you can use for anything on Amazon. Let's say you have $50 on here. Click on Buy Now. It's going to show you the total of $50. Do not click on Place Your Order just yet. We want to add this Mastercard gift card in. Scroll down a bit and you'll see an option that says Payment Method. Currently, we have my main credit card account on file. Tap the little arrow where it says Payment Method. Towards the top, click on Add New. From here, you can click on Add a credit or debit card, enter the card number, expiration date, security code, and the name on the card. If the Mastercard gift card says a gift for you, you can put that or just your name. Click on Add and Continue. From there, you can complete the purchase, adding that money into your gift card balance. And that is how to add a Mastercard gift card balance to your Amazon account. Like if you like, comment, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.